I'm doing like a couple minutes. Oh, battery's getting low too, but I don't think it's the battery.
What is that? It's an Easter bunny. It's chocolate.
Big chocolate bunny, sir. You didn't count your cash?
I'm you see more over there? Oh.
Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
Go get your presents, baby girl.
Daddy stepped on that one, so hopefully it's not breakable. Bella. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Say hi, Dad.
Okay, let's go open your present.
These all the presents. What? We have one more.
No.
What?
Free diary of a Wimpy Kid. There's one more.
Somewhere floating around. What'd you get? Look at this.
Pretty.
In a shirt.
Pretty. Did she get all hers?
No.
Oh. Bella. Avery and Bella.
Another
Avery's got to find his.
You want to go get it?
Here's Avery's last one.
Where?
Hmm?
Where? Oh. Where?
Oh, she found hers. She went right to it.
There.
There it is.
Don't.
Ooh. Mom's strong.
Avery got presents too? Oh, let's see what this one is. Well, you got them all, sir. Good deal.
Now you got a whole Diary of a Wimpy Kid collection, including what you already have. What's that, Bella? What's that?
What's in there? Mo. What's in there?
Hearts. Yay, hearts.
You got another present?
Is there another one?
Where?
By the TV? Look up by the TV.
Where?
There it is. No. No. You're missing something then. He counted wrong or something. What about where'd you